Everybody enjoys a good story. Stories help us make sense of the world, and a good story is both compelling and memorable. This is exactly what I plan to do in my showreel, where I tell you my story as a student, scriptwriter, anchor, and so much more. These warm brown and blue interiors welcome me in November 2012, where I applied and was selected as an intern with NDTV India Can to be a part of their highly prestigious broadcast media and digital journalism program. So, what would drive an engineering graduate who has spent more than 3 years in the corporate field to now make a foray into the media industry? The ability to clearly articulate what you see with an open mind is extremely essential in this industry. And thanks to this course, I have now learned how to script exclusively for print and for television. My repertoire also includes writing for corporate videos, short stories, poetry, and, of course, the news. I'm Mahalakshmi, and joining me today is Shyam. Let's have a look at today's top stories. Literally speaking my way through school and college and anchoring events for external organizations, including the esteemed NDTV Infest 2013. From getting transgenders to talking about the issues affecting them, the theme, human rights, was definitely captured from a diverse viewpoint. And after an intense deliberation, we will be showcasing the top two entries. And trust us, you don't want to miss this. My communication skills were rejuvenated here, where we learned the finer nuances of television anchoring. Was this an unfortunate incident that has happened in the Pakistani jail and is being used to propel escalating tensions between India and Pakistan? Be it voice modulation or polishing up our P2C skills. Chennai's cultural landscape pays tribute to the water gods in the form of this unique South Indian festival called the Adiparaka and Ayanar Festival, where one hopes for prosperity and a better harvest this year. With camera person Arpit, this is Mahalakshmi for NDTV India Can. Any budding media professional today, worth their salt, is now expected to know all the different facets of the craft, be it photography, editing, anchoring, or scripting. The highly specialized subjects here at NDTV India Can, taught by the industry veterans, ensured that we imbibe the fundamental concepts required today, like the basics of still photography, the process of editing using FCP, an eye for good news stories, and packaging the final product. Right from pitching potential story ideas to drafting the storyboard, conducting interviews and asking the right questions, verifying the facts, shooting the concept, and then finally editing the final cut of the story. The following video clips that you're about to see have followed this entire process. In a tribute to the water gods on the occasion of the Adi Tamil festival, the Madras Craft Foundation recently celebrated the Adi Perka and Ayanar festival held at Dakshin Chitra that was spread out across 4 days. Conducted with the support of the Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation, the events lineup this year included a water model exhibition by school students, a puppet show, and an Oilatum performance.
இந்த கலையை ஒரு 30 20 25 வருஷமாக பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இது வந்து தப்பாட்டம், ஒயிலாட்டம், கும்மி, கோலாட்டம் அனைத்து நிகழ்ச்சியும் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கிறோம். இந்த கலைக்கான நல்ல வரவேற்பு இருக்குது. கிராமிய கலைக்கு இது.
Traveling from different parts of the world, many tourists and local residents enjoyed themselves visiting the craft bazaar and the various traditional art forms that the festival had to offer.
I love the pillar and the architectures. It's another way to get inside of the culture of the region, and I loved it.
In today's changing world, places like Dakshin Chitra are certainly committed towards preserving the cultural ethos and bringing back to life our rich heritage passed down over the years. Many of us still think of old age homes as sad or depressing, But offering a comfortable lifestyle to these elders are the new age luxury retirement communities that are filled with happy folks enjoying their freedom and independence. Let's have a look at these senior citizens living the good life. This is where Rajalakshmi Sethuraman, an ex-music teacher from Kalakshetra, has chosen to make her home for the past 8 years in a premier retirement community in Chennai. She feels right at home here, playing her beloved veena and cherishing her old age.
எனக்கு 3 குழந்தைகள். 2 டாட்டர், 1 சன். 2 பேர் அமெரிக்கால இருக்கா. ஒரு சன் அண்ட் டாட்டர். ஒரு டாட்டர் இங்க இருக்கா. மெட்ராஸ்ல இருக்கா. ஸோ நான் வந்து இந்த வீணைய பாஸ்ட் ஒரு 50 வருஷமா வாசிக்கிறேன். இப்போ இதுவரையில வாசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். இங்கே வந்து கூட 2, 3 பேருக்கு டீச் பண்ணினேன். அப்புறம் இப்போ கொஞ்சம் வயசாகிடுத்து முடிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. பட் இப்போவும் வந்து அக்கேஷனலாக ஏதாவது ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு நான் நிச்சயமாக நவராத்திரிக்கு.
There has been a growing trend of senior citizens choosing to live in these retirement communities. Ensuring the safety of the elderly, they are also equipped with studio apartment type rooms, healthy and timely food, and a medical room for regular checkups.
இந்த மாதிரி ஹோம்ஸ் இருக்கிறது நமக்கும் சௌரியம், நம்ம குழந்தைங்களுக்கும் சௌரியம். ஏன்னா அவங்களும் நம்மளை பற்றி கவலை இல்லாத, அவங்களும் நம்மளை பற்றி கவலை இல்லாத இருப்பாங்க. நம்மளுக்கும் அவங்கள பற்றி கவலை இல்லாத இருக்கலாம். எப்போ வேணுமோ அப்போ மீட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இங்கே ஒன்றும் ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன்லாம் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஃபுட்டு எல்லாம் அந்தந்த வேலைக்கு நல்லா சௌரியமாக கிடைக்கிறது. அதனால் இங்கே ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட்டும் வருவாங்க. நமக்கு என்ன இதுவோ அதெல்லாம், ஓல்டேஜ் பீப்புளுக்கு என்னென்ன வேணுமோ அதெல்லாம் இருக்குது.
Free to indulge in their hobbies like painting or catching up on their reading, they live a completely independent life and feel happy spending time with their peer group and enjoying the facilities offered here.
Very big advantage. Same age group, we can share our views. It is mostly non-personal, and it is really good as a friendly atmosphere.
When all the people are in a flat, security is less. In the independent house, security is much less. And here there's 24 hours, and then there is no power cut here. In the sense that the generator immediately takes over. And you can see the facilities here as good as a modern home.
Never losing their ties with family, people here embrace retirement and never regret their decision. Thank you for watching my showreel. Please drop me an email at hamagIc12@gmail.com for any questions, comments, concerns, or most importantly, if you think I should be a part of your fantastic media team as soon as possible. Goodbye.